Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see IoT platforms. Under that we are going to see IoT devices, IoT device example and the basic building blocks of IoT. So let's start with the lecture. Before starting with the lecture, let me introduce myself. Poonam Mahale, Assistant Professor of Kekewak College of Engineering Education and Research, working in IT department. So let's start with the lecture. What is an IoT device? When we say IoT device, a first thing that comes into the mind that is nothing but a thing in the internet of things is nothing but a device that is connected with an internet. So yes, you are right. A thing in IoT can be any object that has unique identifier and which can send and receive data including user data over the internet. Example, your smartphone, smart TV, computers, smart car, refrigerators, etc. So, we can say that IoT devices are connected to the internet and send information about themselves or about their surroundings. Example of that, information sensed by the connected sensors. Here we can say environmental sensor is an example of sending information about their surrounding. Here environmental sensor sends the information about temperature, humidity, etc. So IoT devices are connected to the internet and send the information about themselves or their surroundings over the internet, or it allows actuation upon the physical entities or environment around them remotely. So, some of the example of IoT devices can be a home automation device is an example of IoT device. A smart home can be an example of IoT device. An industrial machine which sends information about its operation and health monitoring data to a server is the example of IoT device. When we say home automation device, this device that allows remotely monitoring the status of appliances and controlling the appliances. Third, we can say a car. A car which sends information about its location to cloud-based service can be the example of IoT device. And the last example, there are many examples, but some of them are listed over here. A last example is nothing but a wireless enabled wearable device. This device measures the data about a person such as number of steps walked and send the data to the cloud-based service. So these are the IoT device example. Now we'll see the basic building blocks of an IoT device. So basic building blocks, there are four basic building blocks of IoT device such as sensing, actuation, communication, analysis and processing. One by one we'll see in detail what is the role of these building blocks. So an IoT device can consist of number of modules based on the function attributes. So that functional attributes such as sensing. First building block of IoT is nothing but an sensing. So sensors can be either onboard sensors or that sensors can be attached to the device. So IoT device can collect various type of information from the onboard sensor or attached sensor such as temperature, humidity, light intensity. These information can be collected with the help of sensors. The sense information can be communicated either to other devices or cloud-based servers or storage because sensing information or sense data can be the raw data. Some of the time some data may not be useful, so that information we need to analyze and all the information we need to store somewhere. So that's why the device store the information on cloud-based servers or the storage. Now next building block is nothing but an actuation. Actuation, IoT device can have various type of actuators attached that allow taking actions upon the physical entities in which vicinity of the device. For example, a relay switch connected to an IoT device can run an application, that means it can on or off application based on the command sent to the device. So an actuator is the entity or the device which performs certain actions based on the data. If we consider an example of sprinkler, suppose I have attached environmental sensor in my garden. If the temperature increase, I want to do the following things. If the temperature increase, sprinkler should get automatically start. This is nothing but an actuator. Sensors sense the data of temperature. That data is analyzed, and based on the temperature, if the temperature is increased, my actuator, that means a sprinkler, will start sprinkling. So this is nothing but an actuator. Third building block is nothing but an communication. So communication modules are responsible for sending collected data to other device or cloud-based servers and receiving data from other devices and commands from the remote applications. That means the role of communication is exchanging data between client server or the cloud. So communication module plays an important role in IoT device. Last building block of IoT device is nothing but an analysis and processing. So what exactly the role of analysis and processing? Analysis and processing modules are responsible for making sense of collected data. Here the data analysis, that means a data visualization, and the data processing is takes place. So these are the four building blocks of an IoT device. Till now, we have seen what exactly IoT devices are, the definition of IoT devices. Then we have seen the IoT device examples. After that, we have seen the building blocks of an IoT device. Now, we are going to learn the block diagram of an IoT device, or the entities that included in the IoT device. So, this is an block diagram of an IoT device. This diagram shows a generic block diagram of single board mini computer, single board computer, that is SBC based IoT device. That includes CPU, GPU, RAM, storage, and various types of interfaces and peripherals. These all plays a very important role in IoT device. All the entities are required in IoT device. Hope you have understood all the concepts of IoT devices. Thank you. In the next video, we'll see the next exemplary IoT devices. Till then, bye.